So here's everything that you need to get this project done. Heat shrink wraps, 3.5mm jack, the duct tape, the very good adhesive duct tape, double-sided, and a heat gun or hair blow dryer. If you don't want to solder any wires, I recommend this. This is very good. So basically I just cut like half of it and I line it up with, I attach it to these the wires coming out of the LED over to the controller, right? Because you need something controlling these LEDs, otherwise I won't light up. These LED strips actually came with USB adapters. I've gone ahead and sliced them off, and from there I've tied the two LED strips together using the heat shrink. Then from there I tied it to the red and black wire from the controller to the LEDs. Now from the controller to the 3.5mm jack is remove the 3.5mm jack for the tail light, so your tail light is no longer working. I've gone ahead and just taped it up and set it aside, taking the controller 3.5mm jack and plugged it in. I'll go ahead and power it on. Okay, it's on. I have this off. It comes with remote control. Power it on. The reason I had it off was because I was making a video. The lights are a bit annoying on the video. So I'll go ahead and now power off the wheel. And just like that, the LEDs go out as well. So that's it. It should be a 45-minute to 1-hour project. The most tedious part was probably cutting these little adhesive strips. So I made like maybe 25 of them all around. Right, so it goes all the way down. You can see some of it sticking out right here. Yeah, all the way up. Right, like I said, you're gonna need quite a few of those strips to hold this LED down. Then it ends right here. That's it. You might be asking, why do I need a controller? These LED strips came with the USB input. I've gone ahead and removed it because I needed 2 strips. I tied the controller to those wires that once had the USB adapter at the end. Now this is driving the LEDs. Otherwise, if you power this on just without a controller, I don't think it will turn on. But I haven't tried it, so this is actually a nicer way since you're able to control the speed, the brightness, everything to the LEDs.